Om Shanti. Good morning. Today is 29th August 2021 and today we will listen to Avyakt Murli. The original date of today's Murli is 12th March 1988. Three types of love and the specialities of the children who have love in their hearts. Today, Bap Dada is seeing his loving, cooperative and powerful children who are full of all these three specialities. Because those who are equal in all of these three specialities are number one among the special souls. Be loving, also be cooperative in every task, and along with that, also be powerful. Everyone is loving, but within love, first is love from the heart. Second is love at a time when it is convenient. The third is love compelled by time. The speciality of those who are loving with their heart is that they will always easily and naturally experience all relationships and attainments. Let the experience of even one relationship not be lacking. Let there be the experience of different kinds of love according to the time and according to the different relationships. It is necessary to recognize the time and also the relationship appropriate to that time. When the father, in the form of the teacher, is teaching an elevated study and the relationship of the teacher is not experienced at that time, because that soul begins to celebrate a meeting and as a conversational chat with Baba as the friend, then that one's attention would not be on the study. If at a time of studying, someone says, I am having a very powerful experience of the stage beyond sound, is that right at the time of studying? Because at that time, the Father, in the form of the teacher, has come to enable you to claim an elevated status through this study. At that time, when the role is that of the teacher, the role of the godly student life is accurate. This is known as recognizing the relationship according to the time and experiencing the attainment of love according to that relationship. Exercise your intellect with this. Let your intellect be stable in whatever form and stage that is needed, whenever it is needed. Today's blessing is, may you become constantly powerful by reducing your weight of waste with churning power. Again, may you become constantly powerful by reducing your weight of waste with churning power. Souls are carrying the weight of waste, waste thoughts, waste words, waste actions. Souls become heavy because of these. Now, reduce this weight. In order to reduce this weight, stay constantly busy doing service and increase your churning power. Souls will become powerful with churning power. Just as blood is made by digesting your food and it then works as energy, in the same way, the power of souls increases with their churning. Today's slogan is, the time of those who make their nature easy is not wasted. Again, the time of those who make their nature easy is not wasted. Om Shanti.